Have you ever been halfway through a project and wondered if you are truly on track? What if there was a way to measure your progress in real time and predict success or failure before it's too late? Today, we're diving into how you can use key performance indicators, KPIs, to effectively monitor your project's progress and ensure you are moving toward your goals. Hey everyone, welcome back to NxtChair, your go-to channel for all things project management. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our step-by-step guides, expert tips, and strategies to help you succeed in project management. Whether you are a seasoned project manager or just getting started, this channel has something for everyone. Today, we're tackling one of the most important tools in project management, KPIs. Understanding and using key performance indicators correctly can make the difference between a project that's just running and one that's on track to success. So, let's dive into exactly how you can monitor project progress using KPIs. The topic: why use KPIs to monitor project progress? Project management is all about ensuring that your project stays on course, meets deadlines, and achieves the desired results. But how do you know if you're on track? That's where key performance indicators come in. KPIs are measurable values that allow you to track progress and identify potential roadblocks early on. Using KPIs, you can track everything from task completion rates to budget health, team performance, and client satisfaction. This gives you real-time insights into how well the project is performing and whether any adjustments are needed to stay on course. Step-by-step guide: how to monitor project progress with KPIs. Step 1. Define your project objectives and KPIs. Before you start tracking, you need to define the objectives of your project and the KPIs that align with those objectives. What are the key outcomes you want to achieve? For example, if you're managing a software development project, a KPI might be the number of features completed or the rate of bug resolution. Key tip: make sure your KPIs are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This ensures that your KPIs are meaningful and actionable. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your colleagues. Every project can benefit from well-defined KPIs. Step 2. Track KPIs using project management tools. Once your KPIs are defined, the next step is to track them using the right tools. Project management software like Asana, Monday.com, or Jira offers dashboards where you can visualize KPIs in real time. These tools let you set up automated reporting, track progress on individual tasks, and see overall project health at a glance. By doing this, you'll have all the information you need in one place, making it easier to spot trends and respond quickly if things start going off track. Pro tip: set up automated alerts to notify you when a KPI falls below a certain threshold, so you can take immediate corrective action. Step 3. Analyze your KPIs regularly. Monitoring KPIs is not a one-time task. It's essential to regularly review and analyze your KPIs to ensure the project is staying on track. Conduct weekly or bi-weekly meetings with your team to review KPIs and discuss potential adjustments to the project timeline, resource allocation, or task priorities. Analyzing trends over time helps you understand whether you are improving or if certain areas need attention. For example, if your task completion rate is falling below expectations, it may indicate that your team is facing roadblocks or that resources are being stretched too thin. Step 4. Use KPIs to drive decision-making. KPIs are not just for monitoring, they are there to inform decision-making. If you see that certain KPIs are underperforming, don't wait for things to spiral. Take action early by reallocating resources, adjusting deadlines, or revisiting the project scope. KPIs should give you a clear roadmap for steering the project towards success. If you're using KPIs in your projects, drop a comment below and let me know which KPIs you find most helpful. Also, make sure to subscribe for more project management tips. Step 5. Communicate KPI results with stakeholders. Finally, it's important to keep all stakeholders informed about the project's progress. Regularly share reports that summarize the KPIs and show how the project is progressing. This not only builds trust but also keeps everyone aligned with the project goals. Tools like automated dashboards or regular KPI reports make it easy to provide updates, ensuring transparency and accountability. Quiz time. Let's pause for a quick quiz to test your understanding of how to use KPIs to monitor project progress. Question 1. What is the first step in using KPIs for project progress monitoring? A. Choose KPIs randomly. B. Define your project objectives and align KPIs. C. Only track KPIs at the end of the project. D. Set up KPIs without discussing with the team. Let's pause for a moment. Share your answer in the comments below. A, B, C, or D. Correct answer. B. Define your project objectives and align KPIs. Question 2. Which tool can you use to track KPIs in real time? A. Microsoft Word. B. Monday.com. C. Email. D. Notepad. Let's pause for a moment. Share your answer in the comments below. A, B, C, or D. Correct answer. B. Monday.com. How did you do? Let me know your answers in the comments. And don't forget, if you're learning something new today, hit that like button and share the video with your team. Common KPIs, key performance indicators. Let's talk about some common KPIs, key performance indicators, used in project management to monitor progress and success. 1. Task completion rate. First, measures the percentage of tasks completed on time out of the total assigned tasks. Second, helps track whether the project is progressing as planned. 2. Budget variance. First, monitors the difference between the planned budget and the actual budget. Second, shows how well you are controlling project costs. 3. Resource utilization. First, tracks how effectively project resources, people, equipment, etc. are being used. Second, ensures resources are not underutilized or overburdened. 4. On-time delivery. First, measures the percentage of deliverables completed by their deadlines. Second, essential for tracking if the project will meet its scheduled end date. 5. Scope changes. First, tracks the number and impact of scope changes during the project. Second, helps monitor project creep and manage client expectations. 6. Customer satisfaction. First, measures client or stakeholder satisfaction with the project's progress and deliverables. Second, often gathered through surveys or feedback forms. 7. Project milestone progress. First, monitors the completion of key project milestones. Second, helps keep the project on track by assessing the timely achievement of critical stages. 8. Quality control metrics. First, tracks the number of defects, rework, or errors in the deliverables. Second, ensures the project meets quality standards. 9. Team performance. First, measures the productivity and efficiency of the project team, such as task completion rate and collaboration. Second, helps in identifying underperforming areas within the team. 10. Risk management. First, monitors the number of identified, mitigated, and unresolved risks. Second, shows how well the project is managing uncertainties and potential issues. These KPIs provide a comprehensive view of a project's health and help in making informed decisions throughout its life cycle. Common mistakes to avoid when monitoring KPIs. 1. Relying on too many KPIs. Too many KPIs can lead to confusion and lack of focus. Stick to the most relevant ones that truly measure project success. 2. Ignoring poor KPI performance. If a KPI is underperforming, address it immediately. Don't wait for things to improve on their own. 3. Failing to review KPIs regularly. Regular check-ins are essential. monitoring KPIs once at the beginning and again at the end won't give you real-time insights. Conclusion, final thoughts. Using KPIs to monitor project progress may seem overwhelming at first, but once you've identified the right metrics and integrated them into your workflow, they become invaluable tools. KPIs offer a clear, real-time picture of where your project stands and provide actionable insights to help you steer it in the right direction. Remember, KPIs aren't just numbers, they are your roadmap to ensure that every decision you make is data-driven and aligned with your project goals. By continuously monitoring your KPIs, you're not just reacting to issues, you are preventing them before they escalate. Whether it's tracking task completion rates, monitoring budget variance, or keeping stakeholders informed, KPIs can dramatically increase your project's chances of success. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, share it with your colleagues, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step guides and tips to enhance your project management skills. Thanks for watching, and remember, KPIs are the key to keeping your project on course. Keep monitoring, stay flexible, and adjust where necessary. I'll see you in the next video.